Hello students. Welcome to the Maths Clinic with Tutor Newman. Today, I'll be reviewing 2021 Jamb Mathematics past questions. Question 1. Given that 5, 8, 6 and k occur with frequency 3, 2, 4 and 1 respectively and have a mean of 5.7, find the value of k. Let us now see how to get the correct answer.
Alright, here is the solution to the question given. Alright, the first step you do is to form the table, okay? You have to form the table, the value of x, the value of the frequency, and the multiplication of x and f, okay? Alright, the value of x is given as 5, 8, 6, okay, and k. Alright? So, and the frequency is given as 2, 3, 2, 4, 1. So what you have to do is to find the fx. So 5 times 3 will give us 15. 8 times 2 will give us 16. 6 times 4 should give us 24. And k times 1 should give us k. Okay? But remember, recall that the mean of a group data is given as sigma fx over sigma f. Okay? So we are going to find the summation of f. We also find the summation of fx. So if you add up 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1, it will give us 10. Okay? Now if you add up 15 plus 16 plus 24 plus k, will give us 55 plus k. So given this formula as fx over f, we give you 55 plus k all over 10. Are you following class? Alright, given from the question, you can see that the mean has been given already as 5.7. So 5.7 equal to 55 plus k all over 10. So let's move on to this place so that we can see it better. Alright, now given that 5.7 equal to 55 plus k over 10, so we have to determine the value of k. Cross multiplying, you have 5.7 times 10 will give you 57, which is 57 equal to 55 plus k. Alright, so you're just going to collect like 10. K becomes 57 minus 55. So the value of k gives us 2. So that becomes the solution of this question. Alright, here is question 2 of 2021 Jamb Mathematics question. And this question is on the topic permutation and combination in mathematics. Alright? The question reads, in how many ways can a delegation of 3 be chosen from 5 men and 3 women, if at least 1 man and 1 woman must be included in the selection? Here is the solution to question 2. And this question is on the topic permutation and combination in further mathematics. Now, the first condition we need to evaluate is when only 1 man was selected and 2 women. Okay? So this condition, the analysis will be 5 combination 1 times 3 combination 2. You can see 2 women, then just a single man. Alright, so this becomes 5 factorial over 5 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial. Okay? This becomes also 3 factorial, all divided by 3 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So in as far as at the denominator, you also have 5 minus 1, which will give you 4 factorial. What we just simply do is just to do 5 times 4 factorial at the numerator, all divided by 4 factorial, okay, times 1 factorial. The same thing applicable to this part of the question. This becomes 3 times 2 factorial, all divided by 3 minus 1 should give us 1 factorial, then 2 factorial. Okay? So you can observe that 4 factorial is at the numerator, is also at the denominator, so you can cancel out. Same thing, 2 factorial is at the numerator, also in the denominator, can actually cancel out. So what is left is just 5 times 3, which will give us what? 15. Okay? So this is when one man was selected and 2 women involved in the selection. So we have 5 times 3 as 15. Alright, the next condition we need to consider is when only one woman was selected and 2 men. Alright? So in this condition, the expression then becomes 5 combination 2 this time around. Initially it was 5 combination 1 times 3 combination 1. Okay? So this becomes 5 factorial all over what? 5 minus 2 factorial 2 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial 3 times 1 factorial. Sorry, 3 minus 1. Okay? 3 minus 1 factorial. Then 1 factorial. Okay? So this becomes 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 should give us 3 factorial. Then 2 factorial. Okay? This gives us 3 factorial all over 2 factorial 1 factorial. Having done this, the next step for you to do is to express this up to 3 factorial so that you can divide the numerator and the denominator. So this becomes 5 times 3 times 4 times 3 factorial all over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. So this also you do 3 times 2 factorial all over 2 factorial times 1 factorial. Okay? So you can observe that at the numerator, we have 3 factorial, the denominator, so you can cancel out. Okay? So similarly, at the numerator, you have 2 factorial, the denominator, you can actually cancel out. So what is left here is 5 times 4, which gives us 20. 2 factorial is 2, which is 2 times 1. Okay? Now, what is left here is just 3. So by the time you cancel out 20 divided by 2, you have 10. Okay? So 10 times 3 gives us 30. So the final answer will be the 2 conditions, the one we saw before, when only one man was selected plus when only one woman was selected. So the final answer becomes 15 that we got before plus 30. So the answer becomes 45. So this becomes the correct answer. Okay?
Thanks for watching.